In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo Transfer Pending. So why is your transfer pending? So it may be because the phone number or email address that you use is not verified or that it's not associated with Venmo account, which means it will show pending. Your payment method will be charged, but the money won't reach the recipient until they finish setting up their Venmo account. So to complete the pending payment, you can head over to your Me tab on your Venmo app, find the transaction, then under the payment, tap on the take back in order to actually take back the amount, and it will cancel the transaction or the transfer altogether. However, if you're still keen on sending it to the recipient, ask the recipient for their updated information for their actual Venmo account and send it to them right there. Now, as you can see, for the payments to be sent back to your Venmo balance, you should see the refund reflected right away, and for the payments reversed back to bank accounts, the funds should be deposited back on your bank for up to 5 business days. If it's sent back to your credit or debit, you should see that posted on your statement up to 7 days right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.